Hi everybody, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. And today I want to talk my best tips on working with bank rules. Now, as you can see, I am in the banking center, and as you can see, there's quite a few rules applied to some of the transactions in here. I did not set these up to auto add for a purpose, and you'll see in just a little bit why I did not. We are in the checking tab, and there's also a few that you can see that were applied in the MasterCard here. So what I want to do now is go to the rules tab, and I want to show you the rules that I currently have set up. First of all, I want to make sure you understand that you do not want to set up rules initially to auto add, because the reason why you don't want to set up the rules to auto add is because you want the opportunity to see how those rules are going to be applied before you start having them go directly into the register. At least this way you can actually click on the category or match heading to see which rule to kind of get those more sorted, or you can actually go over here and filter out those and just see which ones are matched or which ones have rules applied. So that way you can work with those independently. Same thing with over here in the checking tab. So as you can see, I have all these rules, and that way you can also group these. Like I said, you can go ahead and click on those and see which ones are being applied correctly, and if they're not, then you can go back and tweak them. So let me go back over to the rules tab. The other thing I wanted, and this is real important because I've seen this over and over in different cleanups that I have assisted on, is that there may be more than 100 rules that what people will do. And for example, I'm going to go into banking so I can show you. Say for instance, you can go ahead and click on into the transaction right here, and it gives you an opportunity to create a rule. And you can do this with any transaction, but if there's already a rule in there addressing this, it may be that the rule itself is not specific enough or is not covering that particular type of scenario. So what you want to do is, instead of just going ahead and creating a rule from here, you want to go in here and see if you can tweak this rule. So in other words, you don't want to go in here and start creating rules without knowing what rules you already have, because if you start adding too many rules to the rules area, then they're going to work against you more than they are going to work for you. So if that's the one thing you hear from me today, is that you don't want to just start adding rules willy-nilly. You want to kind of think about what transactions you have coming in. You want to kind of plan these out so that these rules make sense. Now, I have other tutorials about how to set up rules, my suggestions for setting up rules. So I will try to remember to throw the links down on the bottom. But if you hear nothing else from me, 3 things. Do not auto add when you're setting up the rules to begin with. And the second thing is, do not add too many rules that are going to kind of make your job a lot harder and make the AI not work as hard. And do not add rules from the banking center without really knowing what the rules are that you are currently working with. And that's basically all I have today. Hopefully this will help y'all. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.